behind you.
I don't have a duck. Why would I have a duck? What retard has a duck? You think I have? Why would I want a duck? I don't know why you find it so funny that I have a. How many people in the world own ducks? Tell me. It's less than 0. Shut up.
I have a duck. His name is Gregory. Gregory.
What?
Take them out.
Why you're actually typing all that shit in the chat, you fucking retard, dude.
Oh, shut up, Gregory.
Quack.
Quack.
Lucas, my doggy is here. Woof woof. Woof. Shut up. Woof woof. Oh, it's my pet cat. Hello, pussy. Meow. Meow. Oh yes, you want a dinner? Meow. Okay.
What do you mean I can't hit you, noob? You know what I mean? I can't hit you.
Look who's came to say hello, it's my pet owl. Do it to woo. Do it to woo. It's time for bed? Do it to woo. Oh, let's see what Mr. Cockerel has to say. I live on a farm, by the way, guys. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Oh, it's time to wake up. Okay. Oh, time to go feed my horse. Neigh. Neigh. Oh, hello, Mr. Horse. Neigh. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, look. It's Mr. Black Sheep, my black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Bah. Ba ba. Yes. Oh, it's the cow. Make a burger from the cow. Moo. Moo. He's saying moo, guys. Hello. Moo. What other animals are there, guys? Oh, it's my snake.
Oh, he damaged me quite a bit.
My snake. And finally, we have my favorite pet of all of them is bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Oh! Would you believe it, guys? Would you believe it? A pigeon has flown into the window and what's he saying? Let's listen. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Oh, very nice.